An early April snowstorm in Quebec and Eastern Ontario turned out to be more significant for many than anything from the recent winter season. Heavy snowfall forced a closure of schools in several communities as plows couldn't keep up with the 3 to 6 centimeters of snow falling per hour during the storm's peak. Relatively warm temperatures meant the snow was sticking to anything and everything, and powerful wind gusts surged up to 70 kilometers an hour. This caused tree branches to snap and power to be knocked out to nearly 300,000 Hydro-Quebec customers, including many in Montreal. Accumulations of over 30 centimeters were also seen within the city of Montreal by Thursday afternoon, causing cancellations at the airport. It's a reminder that winter in Canada isn't over, even when it's over.